Today on RevCheck, we're taking you on an immersive journey into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a masterpiece of engineering and design that blends the freedom of the open road with the indulgence of a five-star suite. From the outside, this motorhome exudes the kind of presence that instantly turns heads: sleek aerodynamic contours, an illuminated three-pointed star grille, high-definition LED matrix headlights, panoramic tinted windows, and a body finished in premium metallic paints that shimmer differently as daylight shifts. Mercedes hasn't just built an RV, they've sculpted a rolling work of art. Step closer and you'll notice thoughtful exterior touches: integrated power awnings, flush-mount storage compartments, and optional side-mounted solar arrays that fold seamlessly into the roofline. There's a sense of calm confidence here. This vehicle doesn't scream for attention, it earns it. Opening the powered side entry reveals a cabin that feels more like the lobby of a luxury boutique hotel than the inside of a motorhome. Today on RevCheck, we're taking you on an immersive journey into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a masterpiece of engineering and design that blends the freedom of the open road with the indulgence of a five-star suite. From the outside, this motorhome exudes the kind of presence that instantly turns heads: sleek aerodynamic contours, an illuminated three-pointed star grille, high-definition LED matrix headlights, panoramic tinted windows, and a body finished in premium metallic paints that shimmer differently as daylight shifts. Mercedes hasn't just built an RV, they've sculpted a rolling work of art. Step closer and you'll notice thoughtful exterior touches: integrated power awnings, flush-mount storage compartments, and optional side-mounted solar arrays that fold seamlessly into the roofline. There's a sense of calm confidence here. This vehicle doesn't scream for attention, it earns it. Opening the powered side entry reveals a cabin that feels more like the lobby of a luxury boutique hotel than the inside of a motorhome. You're greeted by soft ambient LED lighting in customizable colors, hand-stitched Napa leather captain's chairs that swivel to face a modular lounge, and a real wood veneer table with concealed charging ports. The flooring is crafted from marine-grade materials with underfloor heating, making barefoot mornings on cold days surprisingly pleasant. Mercedes has maximized every inch. Overhead lockers are lined with soft-touch fabric, drawers have silent close mechanisms, and the overall acoustics inside are dampened to near-library quiet even when parked on a windy hillside. Moving into the living space, the L-shaped sofa transforms into a full-size bed with an easy one-handed mechanism, while the Murphy-style queen bed folds down over the lounge when you need additional sleeping capacity. The kitchen area is equally refined: solid surface countertops, a two-burner induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, deep stainless steel sink with filtered water tap, and a smart refrigerator that adjusts cooling levels based on what's inside. There's even a slide-out pantry with adjustable shelving for your spices and dry goods. Across from a kitchen, the entertainment setup features a retractable 40-inch 4K display, a surround sound system tuned by Burmester, and an onboard media server for streaming movies without relying on campground-wide Wi-Fi. In the rear, the spa-inspired bathroom is a highlight: separate rainfall shower with teak bench, a ceramic flush toilet, a vanity with backlit mirror, and heated towel rails. It's compact yet indulgent, the kind of space you'd expect in a premium city apartment rather than on wheels. Underneath all this comfort is Mercedes' proven engineering. The motorhome is built on the latest Sprinter chassis, offering a choice between a 3.0-liter turbo diesel V6 producing around 188 horsepower and 440 newton-meters of torque, or an optional plug-in hybrid system designed to provide short-range, electric-only travel for urban areas and campgrounds. Power is delivered through a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, with rear-wheel drive standard and selectable all-wheel drive available for those who want to tackle dirt roads or snowy passes. The suspension has been tuned for long-distance comfort, with adaptive damping and self-leveling air springs that keep the ride composed even with crosswinds or uneven terrain. Driving this motorhome feels surprisingly nimble thanks to electric power steering and a tight turning radius for its size, making city maneuvering less stressful. Tech lovers will be at home with the latest MBUX infotainment system, voice-activated controls, a dual-screen cockpit display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation with live traffic, and a digital owner's manual. There's also a dedicated RV mode in the system displaying tank levels, battery status, solar input, and climate settings on a single screen. Safety is no afterthought. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, active brake assist, and crosswind stabilization are all standard. For those planning extended off-grid adventures, the optional energy package is a game-changer. Roof-mounted solar panels feeding a 15 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery bank, managed by a Victron inverter/charger system, capable of running the air conditioning for up to 12 hours without a generator. Pair that with Starlink satellite internet, and you can work remotely from anywhere your tires can take you. Storage solutions are plentiful. Exterior pass-through compartments for bikes or paddleboards, an underbed garage space for camping gear, and cleverly hidden cubbies throughout the interior for valuables. At night, dim the lights, open the panoramic roof vent, and you'll have an unhindered view of the stars from your bed. Pricing reflects the luxury and innovation. Base models are expected to start around $210,000, with fully loaded hybrid, AWD, and solar-equipped variants pushing past $250,000. But what you're buying isn't just transportation. It's a complete lifestyle package. Every journey becomes a destination in itself. Every stop a chance to live with the same level of comfort you'd expect in a high-end residence. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome isn't about compromise. It's about merging your home, your car, and your sense of adventure into one seamless experience. It's the answer to the question, what if your living room could take you to the mountains by morning, the beach by afternoon, and a vineyard by evening, all without checking into a hotel? For those ready to trade the ordinary for the exceptional, this is the ultimate passport to freedom on four wheels. And once you've experienced it, you might never want to go back.